All right, let's take another example in the downtrend. As you can see, there is a somewhat sideways movement. If you were precise and drew an ascending trend line, you would notice that the lows are rising. However, we will focus on the downtrend. We will take the curve tool and identify the three waves. This is the first wave. This is the second wave. And this is the third wave. You can observe that after completing the three waves, the price moved up. Let's look for another example. You need to practice this analysis multiple times on your own. After completing your analysis, observe how the price behaves. This analysis may apply to one balanced asset, but not to another. We analyzed this one earlier. Do you see what I mean? Some cryptocurrencies are heavily controlled by platforms, making their price movement irrational, which can lead to analysis failure. Look at this uptrend. Let's examine it. Here is the starting point. So we need to identify the waves using the curve tool. This is the first wave. This is the second wave. And this is the third wave. As you can see, the lows are getting higher. After the third wave, a buying saturation occurred, leading to what is known as a sideways movement after the uptrend ended. I will mark the sideways movement or buying saturation for you. Here it is. Now, let's change its color to distinguish it better. After the third wave, a buying saturation occurred, followed by the reversal phase toward a downtrend. Notice here as well, look at this wave and also observe the second wave. It took time and moved sideways before completing, as you can see. Then, it made a correction upward before forming a new low. Notice how the new low is lower than the previous one, confirming the completion of the third wave. In this downtrend, we observe three major waves before the reversal and the transition into an uptrend. All right, let's take another example. Here we have a descending channel. We will identify the first wave like this. Then the second wave like this as well. And finally the third wave. At first glance, you might think that the low of the third wave is equal to or lower than the low of the second wave, but let me highlight it for you with a horizontal line. You will see that they are not equal because the price is in a downtrend within a descending channel.